and then upcoming project this year.
It's a musical by Atlantis. Ako si Bob Gaudio. I'm with Noy Volante, Marquis Tron, and Nino Alejandro. So, Sing and Dance, story of Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. Ano yan? September sa Meralco Theater.
You started rehearsals na?
August pa.
You watched this abroad?
Yes, I did, sa West End. Kasama ko pa nga nung napanood ko, si Carlo Rosa, manager. I think si Pooh ang kasama ko nun. Saka si Eric. So talagang na-enjoy ko siya.
Okay. Would you say this is one of your like dream roles or something like that?
Jersey Boys? Yeah.
Why?
I
What
mean,
did you like about it?
Jersey Boys is a Tony Award-winning musical. Siyempre, the Tony just finished. Tapos it's hard. Kasi it's sing and dance and act. And para siyang may reality element na ang dahil mga monologues. Sabi, hi, I'm Bob Gaudio, last piece of the puzzle. Marami siyang facets. Challenging sa akin kasi may dancing.
Did you have to try out or did they handpick you for
I think they chose 4 of us.
talagang...
I think fit lahat kami dun sa role namin. Direct Bobby Garcia chose as well.
Can you tell us a little bit about yung character ng role mo?
Si Bob Gaudio, siya yung songwriter ng Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. Mag-google nyo naman lahat to eh. Siya ang nagsulat ng Can't Take My Eyes Off Me. Yun. So parang nung nalaman ko yun, oh my God, I sing this. Alam mo yun? And then, yung role ko pala yung nagsulat noon. Galing.
Sino pa yung mga kakasama mo doon?
Noy Volante, Marquis Strong, and Nino Alejandro.
You worked with them before?
When I was in ABS, yes. When I was in ABS.
I'm good na.
Okay. Tapos nalilinya ka sa musical ngayon?
Yeah, that's where I started naman talaga. So, last few years ago, 2 years, Ghost, a few years ago, Cinderella, West Side Story. So it's part of me talaga, mga music.